Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Rakib Hussain, and today we're diving deep into something crucial for your fitness journey, creating the perfect workout routine. Whether you're a beginner or you've been training for a while, maintaining the right workout routine is key to seeing results. But so many people miss the mark on this. Stick with me throughout this video, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to create a workout routine tailored to your body type, your goals, and your lifestyle. So let's jump right in. First off, let me say this. Maintaining a consistent workout routine is everything, but many beginners make the mistake of not following a structured plan, which is why they struggle to see any real progress. To get the best results, you need to maintain consistency in everything. That includes your workouts, your diet, and even your rest days. So in this video, I'll help you understand how to craft the perfect routine for your body. Before we get into the specifics of a workout routine, we need to talk about body types. There are three main ones: ectomorph, mesomorph, and endomorph. And understanding which one you are will help you craft the most effective routine. Let me break it down for you. Ectomorphs are super lean, with little muscle or fat. Mesomorphs have a naturally athletic build and can gain muscle or lose fat more easily. Endomorphs have a higher body fat percentage and find it tougher to lose weight. Knowing your body type will guide you in choosing the right workout plan and nutrition to make sure you're training efficiently. Now let's talk about the different workout types. There are 6 major workout categories: arms, back, shoulders, chest, legs, and abs. And let's not forget about cardio. Here's the thing. Endomorphs should prioritize cardio. Mesomorphs can do a bit of cardio but focus mainly on strength training. Ectomorphs should avoid too much cardio because they need to build muscle. You should aim to combine 2 types of workouts per session, like back and biceps, or chest and triceps. You can also focus on 1 muscle group per day, but remember to change it up for maximum growth. Next up, let's talk about muscle groups. There are big muscles, chest, shoulders, legs, and back, and small muscles, biceps, triceps, abs, and forearms. Big muscles should be your main focus because when you train them, your smaller muscles grow as well. Aim to train big muscles twice a week and smaller muscles 3 times a week. But don't overdo it, quality is key. Alright, let's dive into the workout specifics. How many sets should you do? For small muscles, aim for 6 to 12 sets. For big muscles, you should be doing 12 to 24 sets. Your workout duration should be between 45 to 75 minutes. Any longer and you risk losing muscle instead of gaining it. So keep it efficient and make sure you're challenging yourself in every session. Now here's the secret sauce to building muscle: protein. Your body won't grow if it doesn't get the right fuel. For general maintenance, aim for 1 gram of protein per kilogram of body weight. If you're working out regularly, aim for 1.5 gram. And if you want to pack on muscle, try to get 2 grams per kilogram. Without proper protein, you can work out all day and not see the results you're hoping for. Another key factor in your routine is rest. Yes, resting is just as important as working out. It's during rest that your muscles repair and grow stronger. Take at least 2 rest days a week. Some people even take 3. Just remember, recovery is where the magic happens. Now, if you're looking to lose body fat, here's the key calories. For fat loss, you need to burn more calories than you consume. If you're not tracking your calories, you could be sabotaging your progress. To shed fat, decrease your calorie intake, but maintain a consistent workout schedule. That's the real fat loss hack. Now, I know many people think that losing a lot of sweat equals losing fat, but that's not entirely true. Sweat mainly represents water loss, not fat loss. Focus on the right diet and your workout to see actual changes. Lastly, why does the workout sometimes work in reverse? Well, it's because many people overdo their workouts without focusing on proper nutrition, especially protein. Without the right protein intake, your muscles won't grow, no matter how much you train. If you want to build muscle, make sure you're giving your body the right amount of protein 2 grams per kilogram of body weight is ideal. And remember, balance your workouts and diet for optimal results. Okay, so now you know exactly how to create a workout routine that works for you. But here's the thing, consistency is key. Stick with it, focus on the process, and you'll see amazing results. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Let's keep pushing ourselves towards our fitness goals. You got this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay fit, stay healthy, and remember, progress takes time.